So it is saying 7. So okay, and like we are passing arguments. Suppose we want to add three numbers here.
Hmm.
So we will suppose we want to add. So how you will add? Just make changes in this function only.
Basically, this needs,
Cool.
and then it's gonna add.
Okay, run this function. So okay, I will have this one. See, just a second. We will have this thing also, so it will be easy for you if you will include this one in your file. So include this one in your file. So suppose in other languages also, like we have to define a number of arguments. So 3 4 5 is a argument, and parameters are number 1,
Hmm.
number 2, number 3. Okay.
Right.
And in like in JavaScript we have string args. In
Hmm.
Java
Hmm.
ARGS. So what ARGS take whenever we compile our Java program and we provide some user input. So ARGS is a array in Java.
Hmm.
So that take
Right.
all user inputs. So in
Hmm.
JavaScript also we can have any number of arguments in a function. We can pass any number of arguments in a function. Like 3 4 5 is an argument for this
Hmm.
function. So we can pass any number of argument. Like we can pass 6, 7, 8. Okay. And
Hmm.
so there is no need to like define these parameters like num1 num2 num3.
Hmm.
Instead of this one we can have like star okay, and we will have argument. Okay, I will print for you argument. So argument will be array, and it will have all these arguments. Okay, I will show
Okay.
you, then it will make sense. Now print this one.
This- Oh, good. So it knows it's an argument.
So uh,
Arguments is a keyword, right?
yeah, arguments is a keyword, and see it is printing with index. So 0 is index, 1 is index, 2 is index, all those things. Getting?
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. So like if you want to add these things, then we can apply a for loop. You can copy
Hmm.
if you want. I just
Yeah. That should be straightforward.
control A, just control A, first copy this program
Okay.
and select it. Whenever you like
Just
copy.
1 minute. I am unselecting. Just give me
So like we define variable with var
one.
keyword I,
Hmm.
then we have so we will traverse through the array from 0 index to last element. So
Hmm.
last element will be length minus 1.
Hmm. Right.
So we can have another variable in which we can save these things. So always have like this.
Hmm.
Always function define function there itself, curly braces. See, whenever you want to open some curly braces, after the end of the statement you should like open curly braces. It shouldn't
Hmm.
be on another
I
line.
see.
Yeah, it
Hmm.
shouldn't be there. So we have sum equal to, initially sum will be 0. So we can do steps like that. Okay, and we will
Hmm.
print sum. Now again run this program. See, getting?
Hmm. Yeah.
You can copy paste this one also. So this is just a simple basic function. See, now it becomes simple basic function.
Correct.
Now again we will run. See, same output.
Hmm.
What we will do again, we will make this one expression. How we can make expression? We can make an expression like this.
Hmm.
So we have to give bar also, and it becomes expression.
Correct.